Hi everyone, hope you had a fabulous weekend. Happy Monday. So today kicks off our first unit, which is our cookie unit, the first day of our cookie unit. And so I am going to be making Snickerdoodle cookies. Following this video, we are going to go over our PowerPoint. So we can learn what type of cookie Snickerdoodles are. All right, so first thing, we are going to get set up here, and we need to preheat the oven to 400 degrees. Already did. And then it says to beat 3/4 cup sugar, margarine, and shortening, and the egg into a large bowl. So here's our sugar. I went ahead and pre-measured as many ingredients as I could. Here's our butter. I also pre-washed my hands. Here is our shortening. And then our egg, I'm going to crack into a separate bowl. Make sure there's no shells. And in it goes. Okay, this will become my garbage bowl. I'm going to mix with the hand mixer over medium speed. So that is what it should look like. Now, I keep referring back to my recipe, so give me 1 second, it keeps disappearing. We are going to stir the flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and salt. So here is my flour. I pre-measured that, and it is, let's see, 1 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of flour. Then cream of tartar, I have not measured yet, so this is cream of tartar. And we need 1 teaspoon. All I have right now is my 1/2 teaspoon, so I'm just going to do 2 of those. And with that, so there's 1. Okay. Then we need baking soda, which is 1/2 teaspoon. So this is my 1/2 teaspoon. There we go. And salt, I believe, which is 1/8 teaspoon. I think that's what that says. Yes. So 1/8 teaspoon is 1/2 4. And I don't know if I'll be able to find my 4. I thought I had everything out. So there's my 4th teaspoon. I'm just going to eyeball 1/2 of this being full. Okay, in it goes. At school, you guys have your, we have the metal spatulas, and those oftentimes when you measure it out, they will scrape out. At home, I don't have one of those, so just make do with what I got. Okay, I think that is everything for that. Let's see here. Yep, we're going to stir that in now. And I'm going to stir using a rubber scraper instead of my hand mixer. Oftentimes with the hand mixer, it will overmix, and that's not what we want for cookies. Snickerdoodle dough is going to be a little bit stiffer dough than, say, what we made when we did chocolate chocolate chip cookies, because chocolate chip cookies are what we call a drop cookie. And Snickerdoodle, I am going to, after I incorporate all the ingredients, I am going to roll them into a little ball, and then roll that into cinnamon and sugar mixture. And then we place them on the cookie sheet, which is supposed to be ungreased, for I think they bake 10 to 13 minutes. Let me double check. And we want to make sure we place them about 2 inches apart, 8 to 10 minutes. So I'll set my timer for 8 minutes. Okay. So I have my dough ball there that I'm going to, again, my hands are clean. I have a cookie scoop at home. So I'm just going to scoop and then roll. And then I have my pre-mixed cinnamon and sugar. So roll that into a ball. And then you'll roll that in the cookie dough, or in the cinnamon sugar mixture. And then that gets placed on my cookie sheet. Okay, and then I will keep doing this until, and it should make, it says about 2 dozen, but I'm doing a little bit bigger ball than maybe it would make. So I will just continue to make all of my dough balls the same size, and I will continue to put them about 2 inches apart, which will be about 3 cookies across. And I'll go 2 inches down and 3 cookies across, and bake for 8 minutes. You know they're done when they kind of spread out, they grow, and they'll crackle. The cinnamon and sugar mixture will crackle on the top. You want to remove them immediately from the cookie sheet, because they will continue to bake, and Snickerdoodles are meant to be soft and chewy. So I am going to continue to do this, and I will share a photo of what the finished product looks like.